It's a 2006 Toyota Sienna. Features include a 215 horsepower 3.3-liter V6 engine, 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, front and rear anti-sway bars, and rack and pinion steering. It also offers comfortable seating for 7, removable second-row captain's chairs, and 148.9 cubic feet of maximum cargo space. And with dual-zone air conditioning and multiple airbags, it won't be here long.
The roof rack allows you to haul your gear and still have room to spare inside. Heated mirrors mean never worrying about ice obstructing your view. No matter what mood you're in, you have the music to match it with the CD changer.
Minivan spaciousness and utility combine with Toyota quality and reliability to make this Sienna an excellent value. Come on in today and see it for yourself.
Experience the difference at Rochester Ford. We're conveniently located between 41st Street and 55th Street Northwest on Highway 52 in Rochester, Minnesota.